Apple just did something nobody expected. They ditched titanium. Yes, the iPhone 17 Pro, the phone that's supposed to be the most premium iPhone ever, is made of aluminum. And not just any aluminum, but a forged unibody design that feels unlike any iPhone before. Why would Apple walk away from its titanium era? The answer is more interesting than you think. And that's not the only surprise. From cameras that change the way you zoom to displays brighter than anything on the market, and a brand new performance leap that makes even last year's Pro feel outdated, the iPhone 17 Pro series is Apple's boldest redesign in years. But there's one change that might completely redefine how you use your phone, and we'll get there in just a moment. First, the design. Apple has returned to Series 7000 aluminum, a material they've perfected and anodized for strength and durability. The result? A sleeker, lighter, and more refined frame in three striking colors: deep blue, silver, and a bold cosmic orange. Both the Pro and Pro Max are wrapped in Ceramic Shield 2, now 3 times more resistant to scratches and 4 times harder to crack. The displays? Stunning. The iPhone 17 Pro comes with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, while the Pro Max stretches to 6.9 inches. Both panels feature ProMotion adaptive refresh up to 120 Hz, scaling down to 1 Hz for always-on load, and peak brightness of a jaw-dropping 3,000 nits. In other words, this is the brightest iPhone display ever. But the star of the show is the camera system. Apple has re-engineered the telephoto camera with a brand new 48-megapixel sensor and a 100mm f2.8 lens. That gives you true 4x optical zoom and crisp digital zoom up to 8x. Pair that with the wide and ultra-wide 48-megapixel cameras, and you've got the most versatile iPhone photography system yet. Even selfies got smarter with a new 18-megapixel square center stage camera, which automatically reframes to fit your group or widen out when needed. And under the hood, the new A19 Pro chip, built on a 3-nanometer process, finally brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing and a 16-core neural engine for next-level Apple intelligence. For the first time, Apple added a vapor chamber cooling system, giving the iPhone 17 Pro 40% better sustained performance compared to last year's titanium models. But here's the part you've been waiting for. Apple didn't just make the iPhone 17 Pro faster, brighter, and tougher, they made it smarter. With iOS 26 and liquid glass, the phone feels alive. Apps morph more fluidly, animations respond more naturally, and the entire OS feels like it's anticipating your next move. This isn't just a new iPhone, it's Apple's clearest signal yet of where the future of smartphones is heading. So, what do you think? Did Apple make the right call ditching titanium for aluminum? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future.